In this video, you will see how to add Christmas border in Google Docs. It's very easy. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab. At the bottom, you will see the option of Page Elements and then click on Watermark. We will make the use of watermark to add the border because Google Docs doesn't have direct option to add external borders. After clicking on the watermark, click on Select Image, go to Google Image and search for Christmas border. Select the border and then click on Insert and uncheck this option Faded. Now go to More Image option, click on Size and Rotation and uncheck this option Lock Aspect Ratio. So you will be able to adjust the width and height of the border. Now just click on this up and down arrows to increase or decrease the width of the border like this and to align the border with the page. Once done, just close this window and then click on done and press escape button on your keyboard. Now when you go to the next page, as you can see, the border appears on the next page as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Google Docs quickly. See you again in the next one.